Welcome to Snippets, an extremely powerful tool inside of your account. Snippets allow you to quickly insert predefined content into messages for faster communication. You can start by clicking on New Folder if you want to help organize each one of your sections, such as SMS. If you click on and add an SMS folder, then you can click on Folders, go to SMS, and then click on New Snippet. When you add a text snippet, it'll open up a new example look and feel so that you know what your text snippet is going to look like. In our case, we're going to do a happy birthday. Underneath snippet's body, we'll then go and add happy birthday again. We can add additional custom values if you want, such as the contact full name. This will then pre-fill happy birthday so-and-so. And we can see the example here on the right-hand side, approximate cost, and we can add additional attachments. If we want to add a file, we can add that file here and test the snippet by sending a text message to ourselves. Once you're happy with the design, click on Save. Now that we've created a snippet, the question is, how do we use it and what is it? When you go back to the Conversations tab and you want to send a message, oftentimes you are typing out something manually. But if you go to the bottom section, you have things like emojis, file access, and then you have snippets. In our case, we can go down to the snippet section, delete the current text, and add one of the SMS snippets that we've added. We go to the SMS folder and click on Happy Birthday. Now, our pre-written text is pre-filled into the account. If we go back to snippets, we also have the ability to do the same for email. If we add a new snippet, we add an email snippet, we can then go and add each one of the messages that we'd like. We can add and format our email. We can add additional things like bulleted lists, colors, background. We can add code blocks, attachments. Once we're happy with it, we can use this snippet to simplify our sending speed.